Hi, it's Elizabeth. I'm coming to you with a relatively small haul. I hit a few thrift stores today, and I also got a package from Keisha at Keisha's Creations. That is beads, so I'll do that one at the end. You're getting a little sneak peek of what I got here. I'm going to move them out of the frame so that we can concentrate on what we're doing. Okay, so this item, probably paid too much for it. It says, oh my gosh. Would love if I could see a little bit better, but that's okay. All right, so this says Bent Larsen Tin, Denmark on it. So that has some promise. I believe it's pewter. Well, it's probably tin since it says tin. So I will be checking that one out. I like to pick up stuff that I haven't seen before, if it's a reasonable price, so I can learn about it. Okay, there's that. Then I have this long, probably glass knotted bead necklace. It has a little taggy on it here. Sorry. Let's see if it says anything. I don't think so. It's just like a little padlock looking thing with a gem on it. So I'll have to test this to see if it's jet, probably not, or if it's glass. Okay, so there we go. That's that one. The next piece I wanted to show you is this, and it is, oh, my eyes. Okay, it is marked Rachel. Okay, and it is just a costume plastic necklace, clear acrylic, and I'm pretty sure it's just going to go in my collection, but I'll try to sell it. But I like stuff like that more than most other people do. Next, got this bracelet and necklace, and they look like they might be quartz to me. I'm gonna see if I can heat up the gem tester and find out anything about it. Okay, and then while we're waiting for that, I will show you this acrylic bangle, probably from the 80s, with chain in it. I have two that are similar in kind of a ivory color, and so I was just going to add this one to my collection. Over here, this is this is quite long, and they appear to be check beads to me. I'll move that so we can see it a little bit better. It is, I guess it's a lariat style. It's just one long string, and you would loop it over or not, as could see fit. Let's see. Let me see if it's gonna let me test. Okay, it looks like that is clear quartz, and let me see if the other is also quartz. Yeah, so that's quartz, so that was kind of a score. Oh, and here's the next one that I wanted to test a little bit. This is newer. You know, it's got a lobster clasp. But I thought it was very pretty. Statement necklace. I'm not sure. I think that these are all glass, and I'm gonna test to see. So unless I said that I was going to keep something, or I find out something about a piece that would make it not sellable, I will be bringing these things up for sale on the 28th on Jewelry Nurse. Okay, glass. Glass. Okay. All right. That's really pretty. It reminded me a little bit of iris glass. Of course, it's newer and it's different, but it felt like a quality piece and is beautiful, so I picked it up. So put that there. Next, I got 3 50-inch strands of little tiny like rice pearls. So there's one, and the second one, and third one, which I'm getting tangled up. So let's see. Okay, so here's the third one. Okay. Now I got this, which appears to be artisan made. They are all lampwork beads. Wow. And metal beads. I'll probably take this apart and make something else with it. But they are just very cool. That sort of orangey red and blue and black. And yeah, that's it. That's it in there. It's a nice variety of beads. Okay. Now I picked this up because it looked very interesting. I haven't tried it on or anything. But it is a necklace that has been put together with bits and pieces from other costume jewelry, and it's all gold tone. So right here, this piece with all the, I think they're panthers, that one was a Barrera for Avon piece. So what I would assume is that these were all broken pieces of jewelry that somebody put together. However, I don't actually know. And then it's got this kind of cool band that would go around your neck. Yeah. I'm gonna put it on the. All right, I'm gonna try. No, this isn't gonna work. I was gonna show it to you on the on the neck, but you can get a really close-up view. I can't move this camera. I ordered a new one, which I should get tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to that. Let's see. Okay, and then the last thrift store item is this sterling cuff bracelet. I glanced over it and didn't see any markings besides 925. I'll look a little bit more closely, but that's kind of what it looks like on. It's a little bit big for me, so that will be going up for sale, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna move this stuff, and then I'm gonna open up the bag from Keisha, or the envelope from Keisha. Didn't buy too much stuff, but she was selling jewelry making items and beads, those types of things. So I really don't remember what I bought, so we will find out together. And here's the package. I'm just covering up our information. And I'm gonna cut this open and hopefully not cut anything. Looks like I might have cut a little something, but we'll see. Okay, so here we go. One more. Okay. All right, let's see. So the first thing, and definitely check out Keisha's Creations. It's Creations with a K. She does really fun sales, mostly art and craft type of items. And she plays bingo with her people, and she sent me out the instructions and a bingo card. So I will read that later so I can figure out how that works. She sent me a couple of little freebies of little rubber bands. I think these are for making those bracelets that kids were into 10 years ago or so. I'm trying to open. I thought that they would probably work around smaller jewelry boxes to keep them closed, so for mailing. So that's what I'm thinking anyways. Otherwise I'll figure something else out. Okay. And she sent a cute little thing. So I'll show it to you. It is a decorated paper clip that says "Made with Love." And then here's a little envelope and card that she put together. Thank you for supporting our small business. And it says, "Blessings, Keisha's Creation. You name it, I create it." So it's awfully cute. Okay, and then the beads. Oh, I got buttons. I got buttons. I love buttons. I try not to collect too many of them. because they definitely accumulate. But look at these beautiful things. They're plastic. You know, they're not, I mean, they're probably vintage, but they're not too vintage. But just look at that gorgeous thing. Another one. Sorry, I'm having trouble with where to put things under this camera. But we'll just plod along. Okay. Oh, I'm not sure if there are any repeats in here or not. But I thought I could use them for making jewelry, or use them in my art. This one's cute. Little one. This little guy, and then this little guy. Okay, so we have those, and then we have some, I believe that they're all glass beads. So these, they're pretty. They're just colored on the outside. You know, they're glass, and then they're coated with the coloring. And I think that's how all of these are. Okay. And got some sort of turquoise or teal colored ones. Pretty. Got some orangey coral ones. And I did get some a little bit fancier ones too here. These. So they're pretty. They're sort of iridescent and have a kind of a paint splatter design on them. So they're very pretty. And I think those are glass as well. And the last thing, here, let me put these out so you can see all the pretty stuff. And the last item that I got from her was 2 of these lamp-worked flower glass beads. Cute, right? I think the flower is sort of mounted onto a clear bead. At any rate, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you around. Bye.